Welcome to Credit Clearing Solutions. I'd like to show you how to use this site. To start with, you'll need to join. To join, go to create an account. Registration is fairly straightforward. The company name, if you don't have a company name, use your own name. Address, city, state, province, postal code, country, contact name, phone, email, and the username, and last but not least, the password. And then you have to select whether you would like to register as a creditor, as an agent, or as a vendor. Now, a vendor would be if you wanted to load deals onto Dealocopia, you would register as a vendor. If you would like to register as an agent, you'd be able to refer both creditors and vendors to use Credit Clearing Solutions, which will populate the Dealocopia site. You will have to go through our agreement, which you may email to yourself or print. Once you've scrolled through the agreement, you will have to acknowledge that you have read it and check off the boxes on the left. Then at that point, you'll be able to register. As I've registered already, I will not register again, but I will go back to our homepage and I will go to the member login section. And here I will log in and show you how the features work. The point of Credit Clearing Solutions is that we convert bad debts into cash through our accounts receivable settlement offer without bugging a debtor with no cash for cash they don't have. Instead, we work to send them business and pay you out of that. Now that we're logged in, if you scroll over the Submit button, you'll see a drop-down menu with 6 options. If you're registered as a vendor, you would see Add Products. Here's where you would list a deal to appear on Dealocopia. You can choose up to 3 files for images. If you were registered as a creditor, you might see the Accounts Receivable section. If you use to upload accounts receivable from QuickBooks Excel or CSV, or alternatively the payable, you could choose virtually unlimited number of debtors or creditors to send a settlement offer to. The submission form is a single shot offer. So if you would like to test it out and send one of your debtors a settlement offer, you would click that, and then you would enter the debtor business name, the debtor contact name, invoice number, amount owing, denomination of gift certificate you believe is appropriate, and we'd be asking the debtor to settle at 3-to-1 in digital gift certificates over the amount owing. Okay, so after you've chosen the appropriate denomination, the debtor is offered a chance to settle this debt and clear the credit by issuing 3-to-1 in digital gift certificates the amount of the debt. So if the amount of the debt was $1,000, and we decided denominations of 100 were appropriate, we select 100 again from the list. That would charge them they would have to issue 30 $100 gift certificates, which totals $3,000 face value, which we would then sell off on Dealocopia at 50% of face value, returning 2/3 of each sale to the creditor. Once the settlement offer's been filled out, you may review the settlement offer, and that will show you exactly the settlement that you're sending to your debtor. Conversely, if you're doing it with the accounts payable, you'd have to be a member in good standing with credit in Collective Currency, our trade network, and you would offer that credit to your creditor for them to attempt to spend it, which doing would settle your account with them. There's no risk to creditors to try that. The debtor's offering a pre-approved account for them to try spending within the network of companies on collective currency. If they can't spend it, the deal still stands. The debt is still there. If you choose to upload numerous payables, you could choose everything that's 180 days late, whether it's payables or receivables, and you could upload all the debtors or creditors that fit that. If you were to register as an agent, you could refer creditors and refer vendors. If you want to refer other agents, the letter here invites them to join us. And if you're going to do that, I would suggest that you use this format. That will make it less likely that this email ends up in a spam box. Referring an agent is very easy, and you will earn an amount equal to 10% of what the agents you bring in earn, which could be substantial. Refer a vendor for any business that you could see using a deal site. If you've seen them on a deal site, it's even more likely that they'll do it. Referring a creditor is what you're going to want to do for businesses that you know are owed money by the types of businesses that would conceivably be sold on the deal site, such as restaurants or hotels or massage therapists, any goods or services that are available retail to the public. It could be a last-minute vacation sell-off, lots of opportunities. If you have more questions, please do look through the FAQ. And if you have a question that is not answered on the FAQ, we would certainly like to hear about it. And you're welcome to send it to our Chief Operations Officer, COO, at universalexpansiongroup.com. And we really look forward to addressing all of your concerns and working with you for a long time to come. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.